आज एलजी साहब के साथ मीटिंग हुई थी और सब ने मिलके ये निर्णय लिए हैं कि वीकेंड के ऊपर कर्फ्यू दिल्ली के अंदर लगाया जाएगा। इसका कारण ये है, वीकेंड में अक्सर जो लोग निकलते हैं वो अपने एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए या दूसरी एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए निकलते हैं, जो कि कर्टेल की जा सकती है, जो कि जिसके ऊपर अंकुश लगाया जा सकता है, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए। इसीलिए चेन तोड़ने के लिए वीकेंड के ऊपर, ताकि लोग ज़्यादा संपर्क में ना आए, वीकेंड के ऊपर कर्फ्यू लगाया जा रहा है।
On the issue of beds availability, the Chief Minister said that as of now 5,000 beds are available in Delhi and there is no shortage of beds, also requesting people not to crowd in one or two particular locations for beds but to be open to availing beds wherever it is at the moment. In fact, that's the status that the Chief Minister himself shared of 5,000 beds being currently available in Delhi.
फिलहाल आपका मुख्यमंत्री होने के नाते मैं आपको एश्योर कर रहा हूं कि अभी दिल्ली के अंदर बेड्स की कमी नहीं है। दिल्ली में इस वक्त भी 5,000 से ज़्यादा बेड्स अवेलेबल हैं। आज मेरी सुबह से कई मीटिंग्स हो चुकी है। हम और भी बड़े स्तर के ऊपर बेड्स बढ़ाने की प्रयास कर रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन बेड्स बढ़ाने के प्रयास कर रहे हैं, ताकि और ज़्यादा बेड्स की कैपेसिटी बढ़ाई जाए।
Alok Singh joining us live with more input. So Alok, 2 or 3 big announcements made today by Arvind Kejriwal. First, of course, the weekend curfew. Tell us more about which are the services that will remain out of bounds for people, and also on the availability of beds, please.
See, Afrida, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has made important announcement, and in fact today he has announced the night curfew, and this night curfew is I beg your pardon, that weekend curfew, what we can say. And weekend curfew means that on Friday and Saturday there will be no movement on the road, and only essential services will be allowed. Let me read out a few important points that he has announced today, that only essential services will be allowed. Mall, gym, spa will remain shut from now onwards, means that on Saturday also, Sunday also, mall, gym, spa will not be opened. And cinema hall will be running with 30% of capacity, means that overcrowding and crowding to be prevented. And no sitting in the restaurant now allowed. In fact, restaurant will be opened, but only takeaways will be allowed. And weekly markets will be opened per day with per zone, means in one zone only one weekly market. So this way that Delhi government has made some strict restrictions, so that they could prevent and they could break the chain of the corona. In fact, Delhi Chief Minister announced that we have to break the chain of corona, and the chain could be broke only with this measures if the Delhi government takes. And that's why he has announced this 2 days of it means that Saturday and Sunday, that weekend curfew. Remember, night curfew is already going on in the national capital. So we hope that all these measures which the Delhi government has taken will help in the future and will help in breaking the chain. Back to you.
Right. Alok, when we look at the figures, is it sufficient when the CM says there are 5,000 beds available? We are looking at a figure of over 17,000 cases rising on a daily basis. And even if a very small percentage of that requires hospitalization, are the beds enough? And also the CM did not mention whether these are ICU beds, oxygenated beds, or just general COVID isolation beds.
Yes, in fact, Afrida, I have just opened this app because this app updates the figures of the beds, regularly updates. Definitely, there is the availability of 5,000 beds in the national capital. As far as the app is concerned, 4,788 beds, these are the COVID beds, are available. However, 10,000 are occupied. But if you see the ICU beds, there is the shortage. Why I am saying it? I just like to show you, if my video journalist will try to show you, that here 1,244 ICU beds with ventilators. ICU bed with ventilators, 1,244 occupied, 1,171, and vacant only 73. So vacant only 73. You can understand that ICU beds with ventilators, 73 beds are only vacant. ICU beds without ventilator, only 432 are vacant. And normal ICU beds, only 412 are vacant. So definitely in the coming days, and what we can say that there is the shortage of ICU beds, which also include the ventilator beds. But now the Delhi government says that they are just revamping up all these infrastructure. So that is why they have announced this 2 days of what we can say that weekend curfew. Definitely it will help in revamping the health infrastructure, but definitely in the coming days, number of beds will also be increased. And we hope if the beds are there, they are well equipped with ICUs and ventilator facilities.
Yes. All right. Yes, that's important information, Alok, that you shared with us, that we should not be misled to think that there are 5,000 beds available. The number when it comes to ICU beds is much smaller. I think you quoted 412 ICU beds available in Delhi at the moment. Thanks for joining us.